In this video, I'll show you how to add ChatGPT to Google Docs. First, here's the important thing to know. There is not currently an official OpenAI add-on made specifically for Google Docs that installs directly inside Docs as ChatGPT by OpenAI. What most people mean by adding ChatGPT to Google Docs is installing a third-party Google Workspace add-on that uses OpenAI models, or using ChatGPT separately and then bringing the content into your document. Google's own help pages explain how Docs add-ons are installed and launched, and the Google Workspace Marketplace currently lists third-party tools like GPT for Sheets and Docs that work inside Google Docs. So the easiest way to add ChatGPT-style help into Google Docs is this. Open your Google Doc, then click Extensions, then Add-ons, and then Get Add-ons. Google says this is where you find and install Google Workspace add-ons for Docs. Once the marketplace opens, search for a tool that supports ChatGPT or OpenAI models, such as GPT for Sheets and Docs. After you install it, refresh your document if needed, because Google says some add-ons only appear after you reload the file. After the add-on is installed, open your document again and go to Extensions. Then choose the add-on you installed and launch it. Google's help says add-ons can appear in the right sidebar. And if you do not see the sidebar right away, refreshing the doc can make it appear. Once it opens, you can usually highlight text, generate new content, rewrite paragraphs, summarize, translate, or brainstorm directly from inside Google Docs, depending on the add-on you chose. The exact buttons may vary because these are third-party tools, not a built-in Google Docs feature from OpenAI itself. Now, there is another option that people sometimes confuse with adding ChatGPT to Google Docs. OpenAI does officially support connecting Google Drive to ChatGPT, so ChatGPT can access synced Drive files or files you add from connected apps. But that is different from putting ChatGPT inside the Google Docs editor itself. In other words, Google Drive integration helps ChatGPT work with your Docs files, while a Google Docs add-on is what puts AI tools directly into the Docs interface. One more tip before you install anything. Check whether the add-on is from a trusted publisher and review what permissions it asks for. Since these tools are usually third-party, the quality and privacy setup can vary. Google Workspace Marketplace listings show the publisher, update date, and app details, which can help you choose a more reliable option. So the simple process is this. Open Google Docs, go to Extensions, then Add-ons, then Get Add-ons, install a ChatGPT-compatible third-party add-on, refresh the document, and launch it from Extensions. That's the most direct way to add ChatGPT-style assistance to Google Docs today. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.